Hey guys, this is Miss Karina, and today we're gonna take you behind the scenes of what Halo staff do for you guys. So we're gonna be cutting pepinos. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, how do I flip the camera? Can you flip the? Oh no, I took a picture. Okay, so here we have Mr. Juan.
How's it going? I was in Mexico. I ate squirrel. I didn't know what it was until they finally told me once I was done eating. But it tasted like carne de res, you know?
Like chicken?
Yeah, no, carne de res.
Did it again if you knew that you were eating squirrel?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Once I got home, back to the States, I was a whole different person. Like, I started being more active, so I don't know. Those reflexes like big.
Like a squirrel reflex?
Like a squirrel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you see squirrels like running around in the trees, do you crave them?
No. Fact is, my birthday is coming up.
When's your birthday, Mr. Juan?
On the 24th.
January 24th?
And you know what it is? It lands on a Friday, so you already know.
So right here we have Miss Berenice and Miss Maggie. So Miss Berenice is the Polynesian coach. So Miss Berenice, what is one fun fact about you?
One fun fact would be,
Perfect, Miss Maggie.
I don't know, like that, so they might not
Subscribe.
like this, that I love to dance, any type of music.
Right.
And then we have over here to our far right, Miss Maggie. So what is one fun fact about you?
I walk on my toes.
Can you please demonstrate? Do you have to take off your shoes for this?
I do.
Okay, cool. Okay. Ooh, Miss Maggie, those are some nice Vans.
I know.
Where'd you get them?
Nordstrom Rack, you know?
Oh yeah, shout out to Miss Maggie. She works another part-time at Nordstrom Rack. Are your toes done?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, show them off, girl. Cute. Okay. So, guys, never before seen footage of Miss Maggie walking on her toes. Okay, go for it. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! That's so normal.
I can actually walk from here to over there. Alright, go.
A ver. Can you burn the mile?
Maggie.
Oh, my name is Miss Karina. I'm in DIY Club Mondays and Wednesdays. And then every other day I am here in the Teen Center. A fun fact about me is that I can cut pepinos with my eyes closed.
Nah, you're cheating.
A real fun fact is that I can play the accordion, según yo, más o menos. So if you guys stop by on Friday in the Teen Center, you guys can see a live performance from me and student leader Janet Alegria. My phone. And yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. A lot of pepinos to cut. So this is all for you guys. Tostilocos. Tomorrow, Tuesday,
January 14th.
January 14th, 2020. Happy New Year.
Actually, do you guys have any 2020 resolutions?
My New Year resolution is to drop my body fat percentage to 19% at least by May. Right now, I'm at 26%.
26%.
Right now, it's at 94.8 pounds of pure muscle that I have. My body fat is at 60. I have 60 pounds, 26%. So I'm trying to drop it down to like 19 by May. Yeah.
Learning to say no. Probably like when it comes to like people asking like, oh, can you do it? Like, I don't know. I just feel like I need to give some time to like relax and just be me, you know. And I feel like sometimes we are so focused on making other people like,
People pleaser.
Exactly, and I just feel like sometimes we just have to give ourselves some time. And I'm a huge like believer on that.
It would have to be Juan stop laughing.
Juan.
To be consistent at the gym, so like not slack off. I don't know. I think it would have to be to lose weight, like gain like muscle, so lose all that fat and convert it into muscle. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Oh, wanna know what else? I really want to join a hip hop class. Like really so bad.
Miss Laura.
Miss Laura.
My moves are spontaneous.
A ver, show them.
A ver, let's see Mr. Juan. Mr. Juan.
Juan. How about you, Karina?
One of them, well, the first one, my main one, is to like get my skin taken care of. This year is the year to like take off like all like the acne, like get it taken care of. So coming soon, a Colgate Smile, and yeah, pretty. Oh, and I guess another one would be like también health wise. I want to be more fit. Like I know que estoy like flaca and stuff, pero I want to like be like okay. Yeah, you see that? Oh no. Thank you. Thanks to Coach John. Thanks to Mr. Gonzalez. Body muscle. Like not be like super like pero just like a little something there. But yeah, I think 2020 is gonna be a great year for everyone, and I hope we all accomplish our goals. We'll check back with you guys next year, and a ver si se nos hizo, okay? But work hard, guys. Never give up on your dreams, and I think you guys can accomplish any goal you put your mind to.
And if you guys are seniors, make sure you guys make your college portals. FYI.
Apply for FAFSA. That thing will save your life.
Oh, let me put it again.
I'll make it ring right here.
You gonna make it ring pepinos?
Hey, Don, tell him.
If you got talent, come this Friday.